How to withdraw money from crypto.com to Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw money from crypto.com to Cash App. So in order to withdraw money from crypto.com to Cash App, first of all, you'll have to make sure that you have a cash tag or a phone number whatsoever or a wallet address. And then to begin with, first of all, log into your crypto.com account. Once you're logged into your crypto.com account, go ahead and tap the icon located right at the bottom. Then you need to go to the withdrawal. You'll have to tap the withdrawal button. After that, you'll have to select what you actually want to transfer, then enter in the exact amount of crypto that you're transferring. As soon as you've done that, you need to go ahead and select external wallet since you're transferring it to your Cash App wallet. Then find the withdrawal address you wish listed and tap the withdrawal button. So enter the exact amount that you need and tap the withdrawal button once again. And for the confirmation, go through the information that you've provided. If you're sure about the information you've provided or entered, then click the submit button in order to confirm the withdrawal. So in that way, you can withdraw money from crypto.com to Cash App. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.